Being able to do my kids' hair is a huge flex that I don't take for granted. And their reaction when it's done is always priceless. So, this holiday season, I'm open to doing more cute and easy styles, such as this one that takes less than 30 minutes. Well, that's if we're not counting the drama that comes with doing your kids' hair. So I'm just going to let you watch how I get this cute and easy kids hairstyle done because I don't think that any explanation I'll give can really cut it. But you can leave me all your questions, comments down in the comment section. Enjoy the music or not, but I'll be back to close the video in about 6 minutes.
She grew up with love everyone would expect. Had an army behind her, got it from the opposite sex. Friends told her she was beautiful, so she gathered up her confidence, decided to go out on her own. She met you at the peak of her confidence, but all you cared about was would she submit, drop everything and give her all to you. Well, what about what the girls want? What about self-destiny? Shouldn't even And I'm not using that. I tied my baby's there. What's that to do? That.
And that's basically it. All you need to do from here on is accessorize as you please. This hairstyle has been around since my childhood, but it still remains very trendy. I think that that's just a testament to how cute and easy it is. It literally looks good on every child. Thank you for watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know you liked it. Leave me a comment. I always love to hear from you. You know this. And share this video with anyone you think it might be helpful to. Also, hit the subscribe button for more content like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.